In this presentation, I will look at some of the illustrative case studies that shows evidence in how ethically grounded innovative assessment has been used in real-world situations. In Manchester Metropolitan University, students were given a brief from the industry, from biotech companies to the partnership, to provide authentic assessment by asking them to produce a response to a tender based on real-world situation. And this found that 90% of the students responded higher motivation, improved attendance, and score rate as compared to traditional methods. In Queensland's Business and Management School, they've used weekly learning portfolios, which very rich and structured templates to ensure ethical framework for application. Team case studies were used to show collaborative analysis of complex business scenarios, and students demonstrated stronger theory practice links and confidence applying principles in business contexts. In University College London, the Masters in Education program use innovative assessments to in the assessment of lesson plans, the products that were created, and this was shown to increase the participants' reported confidence in curriculum design using authentic assessments. In Curtin University, they use authentic assessment framework to help map tasks to real-world authentic contexts and workplace contexts, and they found that the students definitely improve in engagement and authenticity of the products that they created, and it shows the integration of ethical practices. In the University of Edinburgh, in terms of studying anatomy, the use of interactive 3D anatomical models made the students more engaged, and it shows that spatial reasoning showed particular improvement, and there was equity in the measurement of the performance gaps in students. In Manchester, for mathematics, they found that the adaptive quizzes and the learning analytics helped improve feedback and allowed for learning through assessment. So what was learned from all these case studies was the authenticity drives relevance and increases the performance in terms of grades, and the transparency to co-created rubrics build trust and face and content validity of the assessment, and the iterative low-stake feedback loops help them to learn while doing the assessment, and accessibility consideration allowed for better participation and equity, and data collection validates the impact of these types of assessment. So what these illustrative cases shows that there is a methodology in designing innovative and authentic assessment. Foundation to all this is your learning outcome. Learning outcomes drive what assessments you're going to do. Co-designing the assessment with stakeholders and clear rubrics ensure that there is authenticity. And the feedback loops must be incorporated in such a way that allows for learning to occur, and ensuring accessibility and inclusivity ensures equitable and ethical assessment technique. And the evidence collected thus far shows that this is the way forward for innovative assessments. So it is definitely a strategy that has been used with clear evidence in the literature for us moving forwards. I hope you found that useful. Good luck with designing your authentic assessments.